So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always make my video for my daily consistency. I want to be a fluent English speaker, so that's why I always try to record myself and rectify myself and try to be a new version of myself. So that is very important for me, and I always try to give my best and do my best and try to be my best. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell about what's my journey and why I'm doing that, and also why this is very important for me, because I want to be a fluent English speaker. And as you know that I have been doing that same thing for a years, so it's improving me a lot. You can see my video, my past videos and my day one video, and you can analyze my journey, yeah, how far I have come here. So that is very important for me. And many people, this journey is really very difficult for me, because I have to face many type of difficulties, many type of criticisms. So but I am very fascinated by this language, so that's why I have to do it in any circumstances. And I am not saying ki, yeah, I am so fluent, I am expertise on it, I am a language master, but yeah, I am capable to talk in front of people. I am so much confident here, and feel so much good that time, because I am not fumbling anymore. Means, yeah, not so much, but sometime I fumble. But yeah, i I have done my best always. So this is very a good journey for me, because I want to talk in English, and I am capable to talk in English, and I'm articulate my words very easily. So this is a very good journey for me. And any person who wants to learn this language, I am always suggesting. I am always here for help the people with my with the source of my YouTube channel. This is a very good journey for me, because one more reason is that I am not expecting any type of praisings, appreciations with the people on my YouTube channel. And this is I made my channel because of I want to learn this language, that's it. And I'm not a content creator and entertainer and anymore that type of all the things, because my motto is not for entertain and giving any type of entertaining things. But my motto is that I just created my channel. I created my channel because of I want to learn English fluently. I want to be a fluent English speaker. So that's my motto. And I am right now not a fluent so much, but yeah, I am a learner. I am a beginner, I always say, and I'm trying my best to record myself and trying my best to just explain the things in English, because it's a very important for me, and I want to learn this language. So this is very important to just speak fluently and to be my best, because English give me a lot of thing. It's my thought, it's my personal beliefness. If I will be fluent, I will get a many more opportunities and many more some chances, many more things in my life, because this language really changed myself totally. Yeah, I'm saying here, because I am not an intellectual person so much. And whenever I am talking in front of other people confidently in English, the other people thinks about me, yeah, he's so knowledgeable person and he knows something good, and also he's a very good person. So that type of all the thing, I just changed perspective of the other people to me. Okay, so that is why I want to learn this language. And also I want to just explain my journey and just give you lessons how can you learn this language very easily, and you will be fluent in English very easily. This is a journey of mine, and that's why I created my YouTube channel, because I want to just explain the world, the people of India. You can learn this language very easily. It's not so much hard thing, you will learn very easily, because many people suggest and just give you a direction in a wrong way. Okay, means the thoughts, the way of learning this language is very easy, but we make complicated, because we just suggest many more things which is really not necessary in that particular section. Okay, something I'm giving you an instance. Many people just suggest you have to learn English grammar rules, but it's not proper truth. If you want to talk in English, you have to just speak, that's it. You don't need to learn any type of English grammar rule. And if you are learning, then it's 100% forgettable thing. If you learn this grammar rules, don't revise and just see the next a month, next upcoming months, you will 110% forget it all the rules. Okay, English grammar rules need always revision. This is the main motto, and that's why I am saying you don't need to go to learn English grammar rules. It's not necessary. Any expertise and any language expertise do not suggest you have to learn English grammar rules, because it's not necessary. And I always analyze one thing and just saying to you, telling you, is that English is not just based on English grammar rules and vocabularies. English language, if we are talking about language, English language is just an habit, just a habit. You have to make your habit to talk in English. That is the main motto, that is the main goal of mine. I'll just make the habit, and I am trying to make you all have to make a habit to talk in English. And it is only possible when you are doing constantly, continuously, you are doing same thing again and again. You make your habit to talk in English. And that's why I am suggesting how you learn this language. This language is very easy, because in this language you don't have to do many more things. That is the main thing. Many people say, suggest you have to make your environment in English. But how it will possible when you are talking with other people? The other people do not interested to talk in English. So how it will possible that time? How you are able to make your environment English environment? That's a very difficult part. And what I'm telling here, it's the based on my own experience, because I experience all the things. I am not able to make environment, I am not able to learn English grammar rules, and also I'm not able to learn vocabularies, many more things. It's a very difficult part for me. And if the people who just connect with me, I don't know he learn or not, but yeah, it's a very difficult thing to learn vocabularies, learn English grammar rules. English grammar rules is a really forgettable things. How many times you revise it, you will be forget the things. That English grammar rules, okay, English grammar rules need thousands of, even lakhs of revision, practice. But I'm not saying English grammar rules is not matters. It's matter totally. But when you have to write in English, we just focus grammatical rules in writing English. When we are writing something, we need to just conscious that time we don't have to make mistake grammatically. That is the very important part. But whenever we are talking about English, we have to talk in English. Then we don't need to think about that type of things, because we have to learn talking. And if we are talking about the expertise, when the language expertise people talks in English, he also make a lack of grammatical mistakes. And this is very normal thing. And if we understand that particular thing, we will be fluent. That is the main goal, that is the main important part. So this is the point. So what we have to do next, we have to do simply thing. I'm not suggesting you have to talk always. I'm not suggesting you have to talk with the people. I'm not suggesting you have to talk in front of mirror. Only I'm suggesting you have to you have to do something continuously. You have to record 1 minute videos on a daily basis. And make lot of mistake. Because if you are making mistake, you are learning something. You have to make mistake, analyze your 1 minute videos, and try to rectify always. You are just correcting yourself day by day, and you will learn this language day by day. That is the simple thing, you have to do it. Record 1 minute video. And here one more thing is that many people think about it, what I have to talk. So I will suggest you in my next video what you have to talk. and how you have to talk. Okay, so see you in the next video, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. Why I'm just stopping here, because my time is over right now. 10 minutes is now enough for me, so it's my daily consistency. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and if I made any mistake in this video, let me know in a comment section, because you all are the people who suggest me and just rectify me, and that's why I'm growing day by day. So thank you for all. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.